One of our goals is to make the process of installing our work as easy as possible in the field. That's why we take the time to label each component so that even complex projects can be installed quickly.
We start by unpackaging the tubes and components that are returned from powder coating. We then label each section of the tubing in reference to the plan set. Next, we label where the splices and end caps will be placed. The tubes are then labeled with a series of numbers and letters that show which tubes connect to one another. We insert splices custom ground from PVC pipe that match the radius of the tubing. We then check to make sure everything goes together smoothly. All of these labels are added to the plan set for reference, making installation as straightforward as possible. The tubing is then carefully packed into a crate, as well as all of the components and hardware. This project is now ready to be shipped to Inglewood, California, where it will be installed in the Intuit Dome, the new home of the LA Clippers.
That wraps up another great project that we've been honored to work on. Reach out to our team of account executives to discuss how we can help you turn your project from dream into reality.